So, hello students. Let us start with our Python analysis for that Amazon dataset. All right. So this is my project, Amazon promotion project, where I'm self-promoting the Amazon products to get some commission. Okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do is the same thing: import pandas and everything, so that I can connect my dataset to the Python file. This is my intention. Okay. So I have imported basic libraries for this, and I'll store my dataset in file. Okay. pd.read. Let me check whether file is Excel or it is CSV. Just give me 1 minute. So I have also shared this file with you. Okay. So I guess this file is Excel file. So I'll write here Excel. Then let us write the path of this particular file. Let me copy the path. Okay, you can also do with me. All right. Make sure that you use the backslash and not the forward. Okay. Write here the name of file. This is where my file is ready with me. Okay. So one thing you can observe that I can see when I have imported this file. So date, category, all the columns are imported. Okay. But this particular file, if you carefully observe, this is the data which is on the first sheet, sheet number 1. It is not on the sheet number 2. Correct. But I want to analyze only the data which is in the sheet number 2, because that is updated. Correct. So whatever I will do is I will just give here the argument. Okay. At sheet name. Okay. Whatever the sheet name we are having, that sheet name I will give over here. Okay. So in this way we will just go and give the argument. All right. So let me just confirm whether this is only the sheet name or we have renamed it. Just 1 minute. All right. So the same sheet is there. Okay. Sheet number, yes, I can see that sheet number 2 is ready. Okay. So in this way you can just give here any kind of name whatever is present in your original data set. Now I have my data set ready in front of me, and let us do some pre-processing part. Okay. uh, I want the date column over here. Okay. Actually I don't want, because instead of, there are only two dates, that's why I am not interested in that. If there were multiple dates, that will be uh, you know kind of good for me. So category will be good for me. Okay. Add to cart, everywhere add to cart is 111, only one data is there which is not having add to cart. Okay. So sorry, this is also not that much important for my analysis. Delivery is also not. So basically category, location, revenue, these are only the columns which are needed for me. So what I will do is I will just insert my required data with the help of ilog function. Okay. With the help of ilog function, all rows I need, which column I require is the only column which are 0. This is zeroth column, this is first column, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So what I require is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So I'll just write here 1, 5, and 6. That's it. Okay. So this is what I require, and just 1 minute. What mistake we have done here? So basically, I guess we are wrong with the brackets. Okay. Yes. Now it will run. Yes. So we were wrong with the brackets. Okay. This is the data set actually which we require. So whenever we get the entire data set, this will be ready with us. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to identify how many different categories are present. And for each and every category, we will give some numerical number. Okay, let's say five categories are there. We will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly for location and revenue is already in the numerical format. What I need is converting non-numerical data in numerical data. This is my intention in the next step. So uh, for converting this, my data set is stored in data. Okay, data named variable. When we are using some predefined function for this, okay, we can get how many different unique categories are there in first row, sorry, in first column, in second column, and that is my intention. Okay, so I hope you know about the different kind of such kind of functions like labels are there, many functions are there from which we are going to use whatever we know. Okay, so you don't have to remember always that which predefined function will give you unique categories in the given column, but you can always Google it. Okay, here from last many sessions I'm teaching about the label function, so I will use here the label. So let us use the labels function. Means not actually the labels function. Let us use the labeling data. Okay. So before this, I just want to know that which particular column I want to understand and give the labeling. So see, this is the column, and for this column, I want to do value counts. Okay, I want to do the value counts. So I will do here the value counts. So what is wrong here? Value and the spelling is correct. Okay, underscore is not correct. Okay, yes, now we got. So we are going to give the label of the data set for these categories. Now you can see that how many total laptops and mobiles are sold, 29. How many kitchen items are sold, how many outdoor items are sold, fashion, furniture, toys, everything we got it in detail with just only one click. Correct or not? So same thing, what we are going to do is I will just copy paste this code over here. Okay, and instead of category I will write the location. Correct. So you can see that now in the location we have got Mumbai is the highest place, 26 orders are there from Mumbai, then Pune, then Pimpri Chinchwad, then Nagpur, Thane, Nasik, Nanded, Amravati, and then rest everything is there. Okay, so here we have two different Pune. Okay, here we have two different Pune. So this might be because of there is some space or there might be some indentation. Okay, between that. Okay, means if you know uh, write the Pune, and while writing the Pune, if that particular data set is given space or something, according to that. CSN Sangli, CSN means it's Chhatrapati Shivaji Sambhaji Maharaj Nagar, okay, which was previously called as Aurangabad. Okay, Sangli, Kolhapur. So this is basically the data set, and this is marketing only in the Maharashtra, if you carefully observe, because we have performed that in Maharashtra only, and that's why we got result in Maharashtra only. Okay, not elsewhere. Sometimes it may happen that you perform marketing in Maharashtra, but you get results from any outside location also. Why it happens? It's a concern of digital marketing, but we should know that. That's why I'm discussing here. Okay, it is not needed right now. Whenever it is needed, I will teach you. Okay, so currently this is one of the thing. Now you should write down your insights here. Okay, write down your conclusions. What is the highest selling product from our side? What was the highest selling category, or what was the highest selling product in which we got success while promoting Amazon products? What is that? Laptops and mobile. Then what is the least selling product? That is the toys. Okay, what was the uh, area where maximum orders were received? That is the Mumbai. Now what is the least? all this 111 are the least. Okay, in this way whatever conclusions you can make, that you want to make, okay, you can make the conclusions that all the four categories like fashion, outdoor, kitchen and laptops are performing good. Okay, underperforming categories are furniture and toys. Furniture is actually the category where I have instructed my digital marketers to give special attention. But still, furniture is not sold too much. Not even too much means only two. Can you imagine? Only two. Two orders are there. And outside furniture, whatever categories I told, just to give normal attention to them, that are sold too much. So we have to find some reasons for this. Go to digital marketing team and write here first insights. Whatever your decisions are there, you just write that which are underperforming categories, because 10 orders, 11 orders, these are also good orders, no? Obviously, highest performing category will be only one, but above average categories are all this selected categories, and underperforming categories are furniture and toy. Why? Because only one and two orders are there. So now write the conclusion over here. Okay, so highest performing category is laptops and mobile. Okay, then what you can write one more conclusion, that underperforming category is toys and furniture. So marketing team needs to check check ratio of ads spent on each category and decide ROI. Correct or not? Means what I'm telling, that marketing team needs to check ratio of ad spends. Ad spends means how much we are spending on ads, advertisement. That ratio we want to check, that which particular category, on which particular category, how much money we are spending, and then decide what is our ROI, return on investment. So this should be your conclusion. In this way, I am not going to give each and every conclusion. You have to make that conclusions and write here. At least you have to prepare 50 conclusions from only this much analysis. Okay, which is underperforming category, which is highest performing category, what to do with highest performing category. Okay, give some instruction. Okay, you can write here highest performing category is laptop and mobile. So marketing team needs to check where laptops and mobile phones are actually selling, how many posts we have invested, how many money we have invested, what is ROI only for laptops and mobile. Is it good? If laptops and mobile phones are giving us good ROI, then we will only do marketing for laptops and mobile. Why to do and why to invest so much efforts in kitchen, outdoors, toys, furniture, etc.? Correct or not? So this kind of conclusions you have to make, not only based on categories but also based on the location. And the further, and this is called as only descriptive analysis, and this is the beginning of descriptive analysis. Now after this exploratory analysis is remaining, after this predictive analysis is remaining, lot of analysis we are going to do. Okay, so this is just a beginning of descriptive analysis. Start doing this analysis, and all the students who are listening to me, watching this particular session, you have to prepare 50 different insights from this. 50 different insights. Okay, if you're not able to do, at least do how much you can. Okay, and write it in the Google Docs, share the link or download it in the document format and share through WhatsApp or through email, whatever is suitable for you. Okay, you can share it to me or my assistant. Thank you so much. See you in the next session for this descriptive analysis.